Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you a recipe for some chocolate truffles, and this is a recipe I've probably been making since I was 3 years old that I just veganized. And the reason I've been making it for so many years is because it is a very traditional Israeli treat to have, and many times you prepare it in your daycare as well as at home. And in Israel we call them kadurei chocolate, which means chocolate balls. And they taste so delicious, and every time I make them I have such great memories from my childhood. I love these and I hope that you will love them too. So without further ado, let's get into the recipe. The ingredients you will need are 300 grams of petit beurre cookies. Make sure that they are vegan. You will also need 30 grams of vegan dark chocolate, 3 tablespoons of sugar or another sweetener, 3 tablespoons of cacao powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half a cup plant-based milk, some lukewarm water, and some coconut shreds to coat the truffles. To prepare the truffles, start off by breaking your cookies into small pieces, and some of it may become a flour. I do this by putting them into a bag and rolling them with a rolling pin, but you can also use a spoon or anything else that will help you crush them. Then, in a small bowl, I add the dark chocolate and coconut oil and pop it in the microwave for 15 to 20 seconds until it is melted, and then I mix them together. Then, in a large bowl, I add the sugar and the cacao powder with a splash of lukewarm water and mix them together. The reason I add the lukewarm water is because it helps the sugar melt and combine better. Next, I add in the plant-based milk. I used homemade almond milk, which I have a recipe for that I will link up here as well as in the description below, and mix that in. And then you will add in the chocolate you melted and mix it in. Finally, add the cookies to the bowl and mix well. You may need to use your hand at some point during this. Then you can put the batter in the fridge to cool a bit and set, or you can directly start making your truffles. And to prepare the truffles, you will simply take a small scoop of the batter, form it into a bowl, and then I like to coat them with some coconut shreds, or you can also choose to coat them with some crushed nuts or sprinkles or cacao powder or anything else you like. Then pop them into the fridge or freezer to set and enjoy. I really like making a big batch of them and having them in the freezer for whenever I crave a sweet treat. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. If this was your first time here in the Living Life Simply channel, make sure to subscribe to join the community, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!